Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CoinPayments for payments and payout settings step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type coinpayments.net and press enter. Wait for the CoinPayments homepage to load. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you would like to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the Login button. You will be logged into your CoinPayments account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard for payment and payout settings. To view payment settings, click on Account Settings in the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Payment Settings. Here, you can configure your payment options based on your preferences. For payout settings, return to the Account Settings section. This time, select Payout Settings from the menu. In this section, set up your desired payout methods and configure any necessary details. After making changes, ensure you save your settings. Double-check all entries to make sure they are correct. You can now use CoinPayments for transactions and manage your payout preferences effectively. Close your browser when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.